If you're looking for a heavy-duty steam cleaner that can tackle grime, grease, and stains without the use of harsh chemicals, the McCulloch MC1275 is a strong contender. This multi-purpose steam cleaner is designed for deep cleaning various surfaces, including ceramic tile, sealed wood flooring, grout, appliances, and even car wheels. With a 4.3-star rating from over 27,000 global customers, the McCulloch MC1275 has proven to be a popular choice among homeowners and auto enthusiasts alike. However, while it has plenty of strengths, some users have reported concerns about steam output, durability, and attachments. Let's dive into the features, performance, pros, and cons to help you decide if this steam cleaner is worth the $149.99 price tag. Performance and cleaning power. The McCulloch MC1275 is powered by a 1,500-watt heating element that delivers pressurized steam at 43 psi. It takes about 8 minutes to heat up and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam cleaning. The lockable steam trigger allows for continuous steam, making cleaning less tiring. One of the biggest selling points of this steam cleaner is that it eliminates bacteria, dirt, and grime without using chemicals. Instead of relying on harsh detergents, it uses hot pressurized steam to break down stubborn dirt on various surfaces. Many users have praised its ability to clean car wheels, kitchen appliances, and bathroom tiles effectively. However, some users noted that steam output is not as strong as expected when the tank is filled to maximum capacity. For optimal performance, it's recommended to fill the tank to 50 to 75% to allow enough space for steam buildup. Large water tank and extended cleaning time. The 48-ounce water tank is one of the McCulloch MC1275's biggest advantages. A full tank provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, and in practical use, users report that they can steam clean for 2 to 3 hours by alternating between steaming and wiping. Many users appreciate not having to refill frequently, making it ideal for large cleaning jobs like disinfecting entire rooms or deep cleaning multiple areas in one go. However, the warm-up time of 8 minutes is longer compared to smaller steamers. If you need something for quick cleaning jobs, a handheld steam cleaner might be a better option. Versatile attachments and accessories. The McCulloch MC1275 comes with 18 accessories, including heavy checkmark floor mop and mop pads for cleaning sealed floors, heavy checkmark nylon brushes and brass brush for scrubbing tough stains, heavy checkmark scrub pad and squeegee for cleaning windows and glass surfaces, heavy checkmark extension wands and steam jet nozzle for reaching tight spots. These attachments allow you to clean a variety of surfaces, from tile floors and countertops to grills, cars, and furniture. However, some users felt that the attachments could be of better quality, especially the brushes, which wear out quickly when used on tough stains. Ease of use and maneuverability. This steam cleaner is designed for maximum reach, featuring a 15.7-foot power cord and a 9-foot steam hose. The long cord and hose combination allows users to clean large areas without constantly unplugging and replugging. Many users found this feature extremely convenient, especially when cleaning multiple rooms or large spaces. The wheeled canister design also makes it easy to roll around while cleaning. However, some users noted that the handle can get warm after prolonged use. While it doesn't get dangerously hot, it's something to keep in mind if you plan on using the steamer for long periods. Customer feedback. What do users think? With over 27,000 reviews, the McCulloch MC1275 is highly rated for its cleaning power and chemical-free sanitation. Here's a summary of what users liked and disliked. Thumbs up. Pros. Heavy checkmark, great for deep cleaning, removes grease, grime, and stains from a variety of surfaces. Heavy checkmark, large water tank, allows for extended steam cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Heavy checkmark, chemical-free sanitation, uses only water to kill germs and bacteria. Heavy checkmark, versatile attachments, includes multiple tools for different cleaning tasks. Heavy checkmark, long power cord and hose, provides excellent reach for large areas. Thumbs down. Cons. Steam output weakens if overfilled. Works best when the tank is filled 50 to 75% instead of full. Takes 8 minutes to heat up, slower than some smaller steamers. Attachments could be better. Some users found the brushes wear out quickly. Handle gets warm after extended use. Not a deal breaker but noticeable. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? The McCulloch MC1275 heavy-duty steam cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool for those who want to deep clean their home or car without chemicals. With a large water tank, strong steam pressure, and a long power cord, it's well suited for detailed cleaning tasks. Light bulb. Who should buy it? Homeowners looking for a powerful steam cleaner for floors, kitchens, and bathrooms. Car owners who want a chemical-free way to clean upholstery and wheels. People who need an extended cleaning time without frequent refills. Prohibited who might not like it. Those who need a fast heating steamer for quick jobs. It takes 8 minutes to heat up. People looking for a lightweight handheld steamer. Users who expect industrial-level steam pressure. Final score: 4.3 to 5. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Overall, the McCulloch MC1275 offers excellent value for its price of $149.99, especially if you're looking for a chemical-free deep cleaning solution with long-lasting steam power. Want to buy this steam cleaner? Check out the link in our video description for exclusive discounts.